Welcome back. Today we're going to see how to paper trade on TradingView. Firstly, log into your TradingView account. At the bottom panel, click on Trading Panel. Choose Paper Trading by TradingView from the list. Then click Connect. This will instantly activate your simulated trading account with $1,000 as default. Click on the gear icon next to your icon in the Trading panel and select Reset Paper Trading Account. Input the desired account balance. This helps simulate your real-world trading capital. To get more realistic results, click on the gear icon again and go to Commission Settings. Enter commission details relevant to your strategy, especially if simulating futures trading. Once connected, you'll see tables like orders, positions, history, and account summary. You can place trades directly from the chart using right-click or the order panel. Now select futures instruments. Use the order panel to choose order type, size, quantity, or take profit or stop loss. For beginners, limit orders are safer as you choose your entry price. Drag your entry level line and then add take profit and stop loss, then use the blue-red shades areas to visually show risk, reward on your chart. Active trades will show in the open orders or positions list. Click the three dots next to each other to modify price, change TP or SL, and cancel or duplicate the order. Go to Settings, Order Display for more clarity. Check Show Quantity in USD Risk and check Show TPSL Inputs in USD. Keep a notebook and review the trades weekly to spot patterns and improve. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.